ezo. Mmiri na ezo. Now to say it together, I say mmiri na ezo. It is raining. Mmiri na ezo. Now if you want to ask a question, is it raining? You say mmiri anezo. Mmiri anezo. Is it raining? Mmiri anezo. Mmiri na ezo. Yes, it is raining. Mmiri na ezo. Mmiri na ezo. Keta or ugbua. For some Igbo, noun is ugbua, noun is keta. Mmiri na ezo keta. It is raining now. Mmiri na ezo ugbua. It is raining now. Mmiri zoro ụnyaahụ. It rained yesterday. Mmiri zoro ụnyaahụ. It rained yesterday. Mmiri ga-ezo echi. It will rain tomorrow. Mmiri ga-ezo echi. It will rain tomorrow. Mmiri na-ezosi ike. It is raining heavily. The word ike in Igbo suggests power, strength, energy. Like when we say ike chukwu, that means God's power. So mmiri na-ezosi ike. It is raining heavily. Now, what do you think? Since I told you that mmiri ga-ezo echi is it will rain tomorrow, and mmiri na-ezosi ike means it is raining heavily. What do you think will be? It will rain heavily tomorrow. Tell me the answer in the comment section. And if you are ready to learn the Igbo language in a more structured format, then take advantage of our upcoming Igbo class. Check description for details.